Faith,
Yes, we were.
for your actions, you are hereby disqualified from Big Brother's house.
So this person said, well deserved. Now this is the big brother we all know. The next person said, God, few days to finale, all the hard work and wins gone down the drain. If no be the village people of this boy, I don't know what else I go talk where they disturb this guy. Somebody that is close to his blessings. Like this person said, Shy, I can't believe I actually feel for him. He allowed his ego to drive him to destruction. This person said, well deserved. This person, Faith Ofori. Like, I don't have any favor, but do you know what baffles me? This guy don't know how far he has come to allow devil to just, this one said, nice one. He just spoiled his game. Chai, it will do. He could have just calmed down. I'm so pained, to be honest. This is sad. I mean, you're just close to the finale. How many days? How many days? This win is between Imisi and Faith. This win is just between Imisi and Faith. See how this guy just, hey, this guy failed his fans, Sha. He seemed to be a good contender. Thank you all for speaking up. Very good. I'm so happy. I'm sure Sultana will be feeling some kind of way now because of this situation. Do you get? She may be feeling bad, like because of her now, this thing has happened. But guy, how can someone be close? Well, let me wait first. Let me finish saying what fans had to say. At last, best news ever. Good. Thank God. I'm so happy. Good. So many people were happy for this thing that happened to this guy. But seriously, I felt some type of way. Why I'm saying this is that, you know, when you're close to your success, this thing they say nearness to blessings, and things happen. Housemates were shocked. Like, even Imisi self was shocked. Gabebo was shocked. All of them were shocked to their bones. They were thinking like double strike. Me, I was like, okay, can they give him double strike? Because, you know, this is the first time or something. But all the housemates were in shock. Like, I could not believe it. But Sha, I want to know what you guys have to say in the comment section. So next person was Mide, getting gifts back to back unprovoked. Even in the middle of her media rounds, fans were still gifting her. I think she's going to be one of these housemates that will be spoiled with gifts. Like, you know, dressing up and having people that are behind you all the while. It's even better the way these people are being evicted than this Faith kind of going out. See how she has been getting money bouquet, money flower, money balloon gifts, flowers, roses, left, right, and center. I'm happy for them. Guys, what do you think? Guys, I need to know. And if you're done watching, please give me a thumbs up and comment. I just don't know what to say at this point, because I kind of feel, I don't know who this Faith is, but I just kind of feel some type of way for him, for someone to be close to his blessings, even if you don't win, and then you lose even the nursing car. Hey, Omoe.